This is Chippy from umpcportal.com. It's Friday 24th of April 2009 and I just want to take the chance to go through the progression from UMPCs of 2006 to UMPCs of 2009 to see exactly where we are at the moment with UMPC. So what I've got in my hand here is one of the original origami UMPCs. This one's from Tablet Kiosks. It weighs about 900 grams. It's got a 7-inch 800 by 40 screen. It's a fairly industrial design. There's no keyboard. Battery life's about 2.5 hours, and this was pretty much state of the art in 2006. Built actually on low power laptop CPU and GPU. So it's a Celeron 900 in here. Actually, sorry, this has got a Pentium 1 gigahertz in it with the GMA 950 GPU. Actually pretty much close to the early netbooks that came out in 2007. Pricing for this one was about €1,200. So then we got to 2007, where Intel created the McCaslin platform, and this was basically an optimized CPU with a similar GPU and some a smaller die, allowing them to get the size down. So again, 7-inch screen, but this was a 1024 by 600, much lighter. This was under, I believe, 700 grams, and with a battery life that went 3 hours on the standard battery, 6 hours on the extended battery. You can also see there's a little bit of a change in design. It looks a little bit nicer. They've got a little set of keyboards here, stereo speakers, some controls left and right. There's a cam on the front, cam on the back, VGA out, dual array mic. So they're starting to put some features in. This is 2007 going through to 2008 on the McCaslin platform. But now 2009, we're able to see the first of the devices that were built on the Menlo platform. Menlo was announced in 2008. Menlo is a completely new CPU, Intel Atom CPU, and a completely new GPU as well, which has really allowed a massive step forward in the size of UMPCs. Not only the size, but the processing power is pretty much the same, but the battery life is improved incredibly. So we're now talking about a device that's not 900 grams with 2.5 hours battery life. It's 400 grams with 5-hour battery life. In fact, this one can go 6 hours playing video. So let's just go back there. That's how far we've come. 7-inch, 800 by 480, 2.5 hour battery life, €1,200. And we're now down to 5-inch screen, 6-hour battery life, 500 grams, actually this one's 450 I think grams, and a price of around €500. So that is an incredible step forward. We're also seeing different designs now based on the Menlo platform, which are quite exciting. This is a very small laptop style device. This one has 4 hours battery life, very similar processing power. It's got a built-in webcam, but a very pocketable form factor for, well actually I'm actually using this one for all-day Skyping, instant messaging. I've got TweetDeck running on this, and some notifiers as well, and it will last 5 hours in your pocket on connected to Wi-Fi. There is actually a 3G version of this as well. So all in all, we've come a long way, and the UMPCs of 2009 are really starting to match the marketing of the 2006 origami UMPCs, and it's quite exciting. But there's two more things that need to happen. Number one, software. We need to get better operating systems that allow users to choose between social and productivity use, and operating systems that attract developers. It's badly needed, but I think that's going to happen in 2009, 2010 with OSs like Mobilin and Android. Number two, battery technology. Hasn't changed in 3 years, needs to change. I don't know what's happening with the battery manufacturers, but they need to get off their backsides and do something, because they're not keeping up with the rest of the ecosystem. But overall, we're in an exciting position right now with UMPCs. 5-inch screen devices can take on and converge a number of pre-existing markets, so media players, navigation, mapping, microblogging, ebook reading, the full web experience, and mobile productivity. Even grab-and-go desktop PCs are possible now, and portable gaming maybe, if we can get developers on board. These are all areas that smartphones can't reach due to productivity issues, and I think it's really showing now what the Umpc market is capable of. Looking forward to 2009, 2010, and Moorestown. What might happen with Moorestown is that this will slim down to about half the thickness and probably improved battery life. All day standby, on standby. So this sort of situation where you've got Skype running in the background, all day battery life. So we're having mini communicators. It's going to be very exciting, and we look forward to 2009, 2010 and beyond at umpcportal.com. So this has been Chippy with a look through the last 3 years of Umpcs and the steps forward made. Very exciting time. Thanks for watching.